This is Shelley Crabb coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the LD Micro main event in Bel Air, California, 2014. With me, Mr. Dan Bessey, Cesca Therapeutics. Symbol is KOOL, KOOL. It's a publicly traded company. Dan, welcome to SNNLive.
Thanks, Shelley. It's good to be with you.
It's good to have you. Let's get right into it.
Okay.
Tell me a little bit of an overview about the company.
Okay. Cesca Therapeutics is an integrated regenerative medicine company. We develop stem cell therapies in the orthopedic, oncological, and vascular indications.
Get specific. What areas will you be treating, etc.?
Right. Well, our most advanced program is in critical limb ischemia. And critical limb ischemia is the advanced stage of peripheral arterial disease and affects over 2 million people in the United States alone. And by our estimates, within a very short 6 years, it could affect up to 3.5 million people in the United States.
You know, so Dan, I want to ask you, let's get a little bit more specific on the disease itself.
Okay. So CLI and the patient population we are targeting are Rutherford 5 patients. These are very, very sick patients. They are in a great deal of pain. They have lost mobility. They, in effect, cannot walk. And basically are facing near-term amputation on one of their major limbs, most likely the leg. So the patients we will be treating are probably within a couple months of having a leg amputated. And that's the beauty of our therapy, is it's designed to recirculate blood flow, rebuild vascularization in the leg. That will enable the blood to flow through the leg so that it can function same as if it was in a functioning, healthy human being. It allows them to walk again and enjoy a nice standard of living.
So, tell me about the science.
Yeah, you bet. It's a very good question. What we do is we treat patients with CLI. We draw blood out of their iliac crest, their hips. We use our unique cell processing devices to basically isolate the stem cell concentrate. We then take that stem cell concentrate, we perform some diagnostics on it. We want to make sure that we have the right dose, that the cells are viable, and then we reintroduce those cells back into the patient. We use autologous bone marrow-derived stem cells. This is important because we're not using another person's stem cells on you. We're using yours. We've designed the therapy that it occurs all at the point of care. It's administered by a doctor. It's designed to happen within 60 to 90 minutes. So we're not shipping your stem cells away to be processed in a lab or to be expanded or enriched. We use your raw stem cells to treat you for your particular indication. It's very exciting for us.
It really is. So, regenerative. Let's get more specific on that.
Right. Well, at Cesca, we believe that the body has the ability to heal itself. And this is important. And so we've developed these mechanisms that enable the body to use its own stem cells to treat various medical conditions, especially in the vascular space, that are very devastating to patients and quite costly for the healthcare system in the United States.
What's your background?
My background is I've been with the company now for almost 2 years. I'm the CFO of the company, and very excited to be here and to advance the company into the next stage.
The science was developed where?
The science was developed via a customer of ours. It was Totipotent RX, with whom we merged in last February, and they have a very unique product. They were using our stem cell processing devices, and they developed a series of 8 clinical therapies treating 8 different indications.
So we're done with 2014.
Right.
Let's look ahead on the horizon, 2015. What do you see for Cesca?
This is a very, very exciting time for Cesca. We just submitted an application to the FDA to conduct a pivotal phase 3 trial treating patients with CLI.
Phase 3?
You're right.
So you're close.
We're very close. The FDA is reviewing our clinical design and our cell therapy right now. We hope upon their approval that we can launch our clinical trial in the first part of 2015.
What's the business model to get the product into the market?
That's a very good question. The key to getting it into the market is going through clinical trials and getting approval from the FDA for pre-market authorization. That's really the mechanism that we can use to then take our therapy to doctors, and we can make on-label claims about this specific disease it's designed to cure and what our therapy will do in that and to affect that.
What's the website? I know people are going to be interested in going.
Yeah, please contact us at CescaTherapeutics.com, or anyone at the company would love to chat more with you about our exciting therapies.
And that's CESCA Therapeutics. This is Dan Bessey, Cesca Therapeutics. It's a KOOL company, and the symbol is KOOL, K-O-O-L. That's the coolest symbol there is.
It is. Thanks for having us today, Shelley.
It's my pleasure. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the LD Micro main event in Bel Air, California, 2014. It was cool to have you on SNNLive.
My pleasure.